Thinking of starting a blockchain technology business in Singapore? You're tapping into one of the world's most forward-looking tech ecosystems. Here's everything you need to know. Singapore has become a global leader in blockchain innovation, thanks to strong regulations, supportive government agencies, and a vibrant tech talent pool. Your first step is to incorporate your business with ACRA. Partnering with 3E Accounting Singapore ensures your blockchain company is set up quickly, efficiently, and fully compliant with Singapore's regulatory standards. If your business deals with digital payment tokens, crypto exchanges, or wallet services, you may require a license under the Payment Services Act, PSA. This means meeting compliance standards for AML, KYC, and cybersecurity, and the right guidance makes all the difference. Blockchain businesses thrive on innovation, and Singapore's deep tech talent pool provides access to top developers, cryptographers, and fintech specialists to help your company scale fast. Ready to launch your blockchain business? 3E Accounting Singapore is here to help you navigate compliance, licensing, and corporate setup.